Hello, my name is Larry Burkholder, Training Manager, Digger Specialties, manufacturer of the PolyRail vinyl railing system. On this video, I'm going to demonstrate the installation of two different types of adjustable post mounts. On this end is going to be our standard adjustable post mount, and later in the video we will be installing our IRC adjustable post mount. So I'm using a fastener. There's various different types of fasteners. This particular post mount is designed for a non-building code installation. So fasteners aren't as critical, but you want to use at least a 4-inch fastener. This is going to have a 1/4-inch hole, and that 4-inch fastener needs to be into some type of substrate the entire length. At this point, you're ready to put a level on your post. And I am dead level this way and dead level this way. If I would not be dead level, this system has a neat little adjustable feature where you can get up to 8 degrees of movement in any direction. If you want to zoom in down here in the bottom portion, you can see we have a 1/2-inch nut here and a 1/2-inch nut under here. If I wanted this post to lean in this direction, I would loosen these two 1/2-inch nuts and tighten these two 1/2-inch nuts under here. If we want the post to move in this direction, I would loosen these two nuts and tighten these two nuts. And again, we can get up to 8 degrees of movement in any direction. So at this point, we're ready to take the sleeve and sleeve over. And at this point, we will also want to install our flare. On this end of the set, we're going to install the International Residential Code tested adjustable post mount. This has a different leveling feature from the adjustable post mount on the other end. The leveling feature is with these 2 stainless steel shims and these 4 stainless steel leveling bolts. So you're going to want to get these shims in position below the plate to line up the holes where your lags are going to go through. You're going to want to do that on both sides of your plate. After you have your stainless steel shims into position underneath the plate, you're ready to install your lags. I have 1 lag in position already, and we're going to put the other 3 in. At this point, you're ready to determine if your post is level. And I'm looking in this direction, and we're looking good. Likewise, and we're looking in this direction. And we're going to do a little bit of adjustment. The post needs to lean in this direction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to back out my lags just slightly. And I'm going to take a 1/2-inch wrench, and I'm going to tighten these bolts down against the stainless steel shim. With this International Residential Code, or IRC, adjustable post mount, and stainless steel shim means stainless steel leveling bolts, we're able to get 5 degrees of leveling in either direction. So as you can see here, I'm tightening down these bolts, and I think I have it where I need it, and I'm going to tighten the lags down. I'm going to take the level and make sure everything is the way I want it, and it's looking good in all directions. So at this point, we're ready to take the sleeve and slide it over the International Residential, or IRC, post and put our flare in place. Thank you for watching this adjustable post mount installation.